Hey guys, this video is to unbox this Mi vacuum cleaner light. Okay, so here mentioned is the Xiaomi vacuum cleaner for light user, and then it's a 50 AW powerful suction. Okay, 1.2 kilo ultra weight excluding accessory. Electric 4 brush, which is very common, 45 minutes long lasting battery, and then 3-state high efficiency filtration. So is it that good? That we don't know. We need to try first, only know. Okay, so here is again made in China, Xiaomi vacuum cleaner. This model, actually the name is MJWXCQ03DY. Okay, in the white color. Total, the whole box is 2.3 kilo. Inside we have this vacuum cleaner, extension rod, electric floor brush, long nozzle, flat nozzle, wall mount, power adapter, user manual, wall plug, screw. It's again manufactured by Xiaomi Communication, Guangdong Derma Technology, a Mi ecosystem company. Okay. So I think the popular for this vacuum is able to suck in powerful. Okay, but actually I have tried it. Okay, the suction is not very good. You need to turn on the turbo. There is a turbo part you need to turn on, and then again same thing. You cannot have those water or wet on the floor. You not, it's very difficult to suck all the dust, all that. Okay, so here also mention it's able to remove the dust compartment, easy to empty and clean, a good helper to brush away dust over surfaces of the furniture, 1.2 kilo ultra light excluding accessory, easy to lift for cleaning up, high up. Okay, yeah, again the 4 advantage is 50 AW powerful suction, capable of quickly removing all kind of household dust, 1.2 kilo ultra light excluding accessory, easy to lift for cleaning high up, electric 4 brush, improve your cleaning efficiency, 45 minute long lasting battery, perfect for large area cleans. Yeah, I think all is very clear. I've mentioned many times for the their marketing, what is their marketing plan. They would like to push for this device. It's a light user. So this one bought it about 200 something Malaysia ringgit. Yeah, so in the past, if you watch our video, we have this Electrola, Philip, all that. Yeah, I think I will have another video about that for a short one. So the good thing is about vacuum, you can have suck all the hair, yeah, and dust compared to broom. Okay, so the generation is getting better and better compared to last time. And then yeah, this one is the how I remove it. I think about similar with to the Philip one, which I think only few months back ago only. And then it's a user friendly, I would say. Just now if you see, I take out a lot of things from the box. Actually some may not use, you can keep it first. The main thing is about the motor, the long thing, the brush. Okay, so this is how you install it. Very simple. everyone know how to do it. Alright. Yeah, the head one, this one is a bit heavy. So if you listen properly until you click the sound, meaning a click sound means properly set up. Okay. So see all this manual, user manual, warranty, all that. If you have time, you can read it. Okay. So later I will have the video to you can listen the sound, the actual vacuum operating sound. So how it look like? Is it too loud or too soft? And as I mentioned, you need to on the turbo so that it will sound better. And then I will also show you the charging. Okay. So I will stop from here. Please continue to watch until finish. Thanks for watching.